and welcome back to Real Extreme Fishing. Today we're down here at the creek, so we're gonna hit this pond first, then head down to the creek. I usually could get a few out of here, so we're gonna start off with the Nico Hellgrammite. See if we can get a few out of here. First time of the year fishing here. I'm gonna throw some different baits in here. Alright guys, we made it down to the creek here. Let's see if we can get our first smallie of the year. Let's stick with the black and blue swim bait. Okay guys, light setup, 132 ounce jig head with a 2-inch B-Vibe made by Euro Tackle. I've been fishing with these my last few videos. Terrible cast. I've been catching a lot of trout, crappie, different types of sunfish. There's a fish, guys. I came off. Okay guys, here's what we got. We got a little wide fry in here with a 164 ounce jig head and a split shot, because this is my light setup, but it's not my ultralight setup, so I'm not going to be able to cast it where I need to. But what's happened is when it's drifting down here, right in this section, I keep getting tapped. I'm assuming those hooks are a little bit too big, so let's try this. There it is, see? Got him that time. Red breast sun, or is that a green sunfish? Wow, look at how pretty that is. I'm sorry, it's a red breast. Wait till you see how pretty this one is, guys. Look at this one, guys. Red breast. Such a gorgeous fish. Let's let him go. But yeah, he's the one that was tapping at it right here, but the 132 ounce jig head, the hooks were too big. Let's throw it back out there. Got him on that wide fry. So another tip, guys, if you guys ever get a lot of bites, tops, and you can't hook them, a lot of times your hook is just too big. So just downsize your hook size. Back at the pond here, guys. Oh, there's a bite. Got a perch here, guys. On the Wi-Fi. No perch. All on the Wi-Fi. Alright, that just scared the hell out of me. A snake went right by me. Oh my God. Scared the crap right out of me. I'm not sure if that's on video, but I'm sure you'll catch me jumping back. Oh, I hate snakes. It's one thing I hate. There's one. Another perch. Oop, it came right off at the end there. Almost hooked myself. Got a fish here, guys. Bass. And the Kitech. A little largy here. Crappie. I got him right at the shoreline, guys. Little baby crappie. Black crappie. Number one of the day. There's a fish. It came off. Had one. There's another one. Got him this time. What we got here? Another one of those beauties. Another red breast. These are beautiful fish. Oop. Nope, sorry guys. I was going to show you them. Jumped off. There's another red breast. There's one. It's another red breast. That's a hybrid of green sunfish. Bluegill maybe? Easy, 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 buddy. It's okay. I'm gonna let you go. Easy. He's gonna jump, guys, but what do you think? Green sunfish? Bluegill, maybe? See, he doesn't have the big mouth like a green sunfish would have, but it has the body shape. I'm gonna say bluegill. At least we're on some fish now. Not the fish I really wanted to catch today, but there's one. That looks like another, same one I just caught. Let's see. Yeah, it looks the same. That's a cool looking fish though, whatever that is, guys. Yeah, that's definitely a red breast. Because you can see the big mouth. Wow, colorful. The red, maybe it's just a red breast itself. Maybe, I don't know. So you see how this one has the bigger mouth? It's got little teeth too. Such a beautiful thing. Look at that. Look at the tail, the orange in the tail. All right, he wants to go. See you, buddy. There's another one. They're all stacked up right here. Ooh, a rock bass this time, guys. What a rock bass. There he goes. Here's one. Right by me. Bluegill? Yep, bluegill. Decent blue here. Alright, alright. You're done. You let me know when you're done. Still going. Wow, this is a big bluegill. Look at this, guys. Nice big bluegill. He's right by my feet. Look at the colors on him. Look at those purples. Wow. Definitely the biggest bluegill of the year for me. Can't barely fit him in my hand. And I got big hands. He's peeing on me, I think. Look at him. Beautiful fish there. Just let him go. There's one. What do we got? What do we got? One of those green sunfish slash bluegill. Yeah, he's like a green sunfish bluegill. If he's not, guys, let me know what he is. That's what I'm thinking he is. There's one little guy. There he goes. There's one. The red breast. Little red breast. Freaking snake. All right, I'm getting out of the water. It's two snakes. That nearly gave me a heart attack. He's like right there. He's a little guy, but man, let's get the crap out of me.